How did your paper go?
That was very good. The paper was little bit tough compared to the previous paper.
So I think it went very well. Not bad actually.
It was good, not bad at all. Yeah.
It was fine. It was nice.
It was good. It was easy, quite easy.
Like how was the quant, verbal and LR sections?
So to be honest, LR I got it easy, but I don't know about others. LR I got it easy. Coming to quant, it's a bit hard. Verbal, it's as usual, like tricky questions.
The quant paper, it seemed to be tough, but later on it was easy. I attempted 30 questions. And LR, it was average paper. It was a little bit tough for the beginners. And verbal paper is easy.
I found quant section the easiest because I could solve it in a very less time. Verbal was also a bit on the easier side, except a few questions or passages or something. But LR I found it moderate and lengthy because DI not usually LR. It was lengthy, I would say.
Personally, I felt every section was easy enough for all of us to attempt, at least the minimum questions. So I personally attempted almost all. So I attempted 93 out of 100. So I think that's good. Sectionally also.
Basically, math was full of basics. So yeah, I was able to attempt most of the questions, and same goes to LR, where a few questions were difficult, others were good. English was easy, I'd say. It was nice.
Okay, so how many questions did you attempt?
It's about 89.
Like not 3/4 of the paper.
86 attempted, 14 I did not attempt.
I attempted 95 questions out of the 100.
Attempted 83 questions.
So what are the most frequently asked questions in the paper?
Frequently asked questions, they covered from many topics. Quant, they gave from direct formulas.
In reading comprehensions, they usually ask questions, but today's paper they gave the question and they gave like assess and reasoning type questions, statement-based questions.
Reading comprehension, we got 3. That was nice. Then we got LR. There was a lot of seating arrangements. Then numbers, alphabetical order, and all those were also a lot.
Yeah, coming to verbal ability, the expected trends were there with active and passive voice from grammar, direct indirect speech, vocabulary, word analogy, passages and parajumbles. Everything was there as expected from the last 2 years papers. And with LR also it was the same, but LR was moderate and a bit lengthy. So it took some time. Quant was also, there were repetitive models of statements and assumptions and reasoning, and such questions were there.
LR was they only gave very few number system, coding and decoding, while the others, it was majority of them were seating arrangements.
What was the most difficult part in the exam?
Maybe just formulas. I couldn't recall few formulas, so maybe that was what I struggled with. That's it.
For me, it was quant because I'm relatively weak at quant, so it was harder for me.
I found everything to be moderate or easy. Difficult part means few questions from verbal ability. Maybe if you do not know the right words or vocabulary, you'd find that difficult. And in LR as well, if you're not aware of the concepts of dices, cubes and dices, and few DI questions, it was fine. Paper was fine.
The most difficult part was LR because I got confused a lot, I feel.
Do you think you'd make it?
Probably yes.
I should be able to make it. I hope so because 86 is a good attempt rate, I feel.
Yeah, hopeful about that. Hopefully, yes.
Yes, I do.
That's it. Thank you.